We'll guide you through how to push code to your GitHub account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
For this, first go to your browser, open it. Now here search for git download. Go to the first link. Now here choose Windows or choose the version suitable for your system. Download it. After the download is complete, click on the download file. Here click yes. Here click on next. Here you can choose the location you want to download Git to. After that click next. Now click next. Now continue the steps of installation until the installation is finished. Now after the installation is complete, click on finish. You can close the release notes. Now go to your source bar, search for VS Code and open it. Here I have an example project folder with one CPP file, one HTML file and one Python file. I also how to upload this project folder in GitHub. First, make sure your terminal is open in VS Code. Now open your browser and search GitHub. Now go to the first link. Make sure you are logged in into your GitHub account. If not, log in. Then here click on create repository. Now here you need to give details for your repository. Give it a name, description, change the visibility and also add a license if you want. If you do not want others to be able to use your code, make sure it is private, and if you want others to be able to use your code, then make sure to add a license. Then click on create repository. Now here you can see the list of commands you need to type in the terminal to upload your project to GitHub. Now we need to follow the steps one by one. Start by typing one command at a time. First git init enter, then git add dot. Here instead of readme.md we are doing dot because we want to upload the entire file inside the folder instead of just one readme file. Then enter, then git commit -m and the message for commit inside quotes, then enter, then specify the branch git branch -m main to push it into the main branch. Now we need to specify which repository we are uploading this project to, so copy the next line and paste it here, then enter. Now finally we need to push the project, so git push -u origin main, then enter. Now we need to log in into our git, click authorize git ecosystem. Now you can see the project has been successfully uploaded to GitHub. Now if you refresh this repository page, you can see the files have been uploaded.